We love Mazinadi Kalu. Oh yes, we love him. And we are not going to forget him in a hurry. In everything that we do, we remember you this day, His Excellency Mazinadi Kalu. We love you. We miss you. And we believe, hopefully, we see you soon. And we all rejoice and be happy together. All right, watch this video and I will be right back.
Yeah, good morning, dear friends. Lovers of freedom. Um, I just want to do this short video because for some time now I've not been willing to type I've not been able to type type textually and then post. Actually, it's about concerning the recent um disorganization happening in IPOP, attacking Simon Bar. You know, each time I see these things, it provokes me. It provokes me. Somebody wrote, I think it's Anya Kings or Chinas Awori, he said that Ekpa took an oath just for him to be able to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The next question that popped into my heart is, does these people think we are fools or I'm a fool? Maybe you didn't think towards the line where I'm taking from. He took an oath just to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So does it mean Dele Momodu that have interviewed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu times and times again actually took an oath? Does it mean all the interviews Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has granted, those journalists that interviewed him, those interviewers took oaths? Sometimes when you say some things, you don't know that we critically we think what I am seeing here is jealousy, because you can't tell me that it's because of oath Ekpa, because of interview Ekpa took oath. It doesn't make sense now. It doesn't add up now. It doesn't add up. You people should stop this thing. Akpa is not an IPO member. Akpa is an IPO member. Mefoda is an IPO member. Where there used to be an IPO member. Where is he now? Let's stop this nonsense. That's your first statement about Ekpa. And shows everything, has displayed everything, that this is it's all about jealousy and envy. You said he took an oath just to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How? Dele Momodu took oath too? That's a question. What's the name again? That useless woman that interviewed members on that is a German national. Also the black woman, that one useless woman, Josephine. Did she take an oath to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? All the interviews, Punchline Africa, interview, all the interviews Mazi Nnamdi in Israeli, did those guys take an oath too? What are people saying? People should look at this thing very, very well before you get out of hand, because you are provoking people, humans. We are not animals. We are getting provoked. You guys should look at this thing. Look into this thing. We are getting provoked. You don't come to talk to people that are learned. He took an oath. He's not an IPO member. What? How? On what basis? Wait, are you people thinking that you are leading animals? People should watch it though. You should watch it. Better watch it. Better watch it. We are not animals. Ekpa is an IPOP member. Ekpa is a Biafran. In fact, even if Ekpa is not a Biafran, he's not an IPOP member. So long as he works for IPOP, there's something Jesus Christ said. I'm a Christian. He said, if they are not against us, they are for us. If they are not against us, they are for us. So somebody coming to write from Finland that if you're doing business with Ekpa, you're a fool. That person that wrote that, you're a big fool. Those officers that wrote that nonsense, you people are fools. You people are big fools. You are still yourself in the leg. Look at what you people are doing. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not around. Look at the misbehavior everywhere. That people have been pointing fingers at. Dr. Nello Ofegbu came to Simon Ekpa's program and began to blast so many things, say so many things. Nobody has called her to ask her, okay, assistant recovery boss, how far? It shows that you people are not working. You people are not working at all. You are not working. There is something else people are doing there. People that are talking that are pointing fingers. You have not gone to find out the truth. Who's a leader? A leader is once there's a challenge, he goes to ask questions. The people talking about here, we're talking about here, are not dead. Rather, you people gave Prince Darlington 3 months ban. When you know that you know that part of the reasons we failed in 1967 and 1970 is media war. You need more media warriors. You are banning somebody. No get sense. Na sense sometimes I don't know wetin where in a sense dey.
In fact, if we really claim that we love the leader of Biafra so much, why will the DOS do this? IPOB disown Nnamdi Kanu's Finland-based disciple Simon Ekpa. Why will they do this? If they talk and they will say, stop spreading your dirty linen outside. My friend, I keep on saying it. It is better we bring this thing outside, wash it outside, dry it outside, than when you wash it inside and you hang it inside the house and it will not dry for more than 12 years. In a statement dated August 21st, 2021 and signed by Obas and Shika Madu, National Coordinator and National Secretary of IPOB Finland, respectively, the group disclosed that Ekpa is not a registered member of the group in Finland. Ekpa has been in the news for simply opposing the group since the recent arrest and detention of Kanu. He was sacked as a broadcaster of Radio Biafra for alleged flaunting the rules and regulations guiding the operations of the situations. The Nigerian Finland has, after his sacking, declared that the Biafra struggle has entered the autopilot phase, a very dangerous phrase that we have no control of what happened to your tent, O Israel. I am Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciples on Biafra restoration, changing the narrative of yesterday. The group, however, countered his statement saying, we also wish to clarify that in IPOB, we have nothing or nobody known as autopilot. Anybody going by such a title is not IPOB and is flaunting our rules. Anybody claiming to be such should immediately disengage before he is embarrassed. In furtherance of the move by the assassinative group to disassociate from Ekpa, according to the statement issued by its spokesman Emmanuel Powerful and obtained by Sahara reporters on Sunday, IPOB said those who deal with Ekpa as a member of IPOB do so to their own determinants. The statement read, this is to inform the IPOB family members worldwide over the raging issues as to whether Mazi Simon Ekpa is a registered member of IPOB Finland or not. There he is resident. We, the IPOB Finland family, under the command and leadership of Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wish to make the categorically clear that to whom it may concern that Mazi Simon Ekpa is not a member of IPOB Finland. He has never been part of IPOB. Is this really what we really need presently right now? Don't you think that this is a shame? They will just be looking at us and laughing at us. What is all this? This is unacceptable. How will IPOB disown Simon Ekpa, saying he did not do one or two things, he did not keep to the law? Even if he did not keep to the law, do you think outside now is not the best way for you to handle this issue? Why have you people not called him or have a meeting with him? As far as what I know is concerned, you all are in one way or the other also disobeying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, you people are disobeying him. You people are not also obedient children. In fact, I have a specific video for this. very privately for this. You people are not also good followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If really you people want the situation to die down, then why don't you people wait until everything is well settled? Then you bring this issue, not even to the public. You people have a group. You people can call Simon Ekpa. What's stopping you guys from calling him, approaching him? No, rather you people start throwing indirect words. Why would people say nobody should follow him? People will follow him because he have the authority to control, and he has the power of a great leader in him. It does not really matter that he registered as IPOP in Finland or not. We all are fighting one common enemy. That is why the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, always say that it does not really matter if you are from Igbo or you are a Biafra, as far as you are a freedom fighter, as far as you speak truth to power. Why are we calling the Oduduwa along with this race? Because they also want freedom for themselves. So tell me now, where has Simon Ekpa now done wrong that warrant all this? Please, you people should stop this. We are not happy about it. This is getting out of hand. Please, the DOS have to look into this issue. This is a joke and is a part of mockery. They are just mocking the hair out of the Biafra struggle. Honestly, this is unacceptable. I hope that they come to their sense so soon. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of today's update. I will keep on updating you any day, anytime about the present happening. Don't forget, share this video with your friends and family to know the latest that happened all over the